What's going on, guys? This is Will from Your Home Ironing Business. So I'm going to sit back here and redo this again. My microphone was really acting up, so I had to redo the video again. I'm doing a follow up on the actual. Well, I was saying I only got 27 minutes, so I got to figure out why I'm saying that now. But I just wanted to make a follow up video on where I'm at now. My van, I think in the video, I think I was just before I put it, got wrecked. So it had full coverage insurance. So I had to wait on the rental car, wait for them to fix the car. And man, that puts me back a couple steps. But hustling is hustling. You just got to keep pushing forwards. So let me go through these points because I'm about to make this video short because I don't know what's going on with the camera thing. But let's go to these different points that I want to give to you while you following uh, your life as an entrepreneur, hustler, whatever you want to call it. So let's get into it. Here's my little notes here. First of all, sleep versus creativity. Sleeping is good, but creativity is better. A lot of times at 4 a.m. in the morning, I can get up and think of an idea, and usually I push it forward. It's 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. It's quiet, and you really could do some thinking and some creating. I think my youngest son has adopted that, and I forget that I actually do the same thing. I'll get up early in the morning and whatnot. That's why even when I do my laundry business, I go I go to the laundromat first to do what clothes I have to take the other ones to work. So I actually go to work before I go to work, then get back home and work. Why? It's what I like to do. It's the hustle. Your creativity is always going to keep coming, especially if you kind of into this business, because you always be trying to figure out ways to do things better. You're going to try to figure out how to do things in different lights. You're going to try to do so many different things. So it's like the levels to it. I haven't thought of the same things I thought 5 years ago I did today because I just kept working on it, chiseling on it. Next thing you know, a new idea always comes out of it. You birth something all the time when you're trying to be creative. It's almost like reading a book. I have a book that I've been reading since I was 18. And each time I read it, I get something a little bit different out of perspective because of the years of my age. Let's get to the next one. Grind. Just grind. Don't stop. Grind. Your back gonna hurt. Your legs gonna hurt. You're gonna be tired. You're gonna grind, grind, grind. And don't stop. A lot of people stop in the middle and just give up. I got no problem with you giving up. But maybe you can go sit down for a little while and come back. Because I do it all the time. I'll grind until I'm ground up and then I just say, oh, I'm done. And then for some reason, it just boils up in me again. It says, I'm about to figure out how to do that. I'm about to figure it out. And then I mess around, figure out how to do it, and I grind, and I start grinding even faster because I don't figured out that problem. It happens. So make sure you keep grinding. Don't stop. With change always comes difficulty. Always. That's why I say adjust your hustle and bet on you because things change. Like I had the van. I was like, I had to get used to the luxury. I was scared. Now, who knew 4 weeks into it, it's going to get wrecked? So now I had to go back to a small car, jam in my car full of laundry, and then take it to the laundry mat and going to work. I'm like, oh my God. I got two hanging racks in the van, the seats down. I'm in luxury, and my luxury's gone. So at least I know, excuse me, that change is difficult, but you have to make the adjustments. That's why I say adjust your hustle and bet on you. Yeah, I hope you guys are using that one. Have a love affair for what you do. Don't play with it, especially your craft. Have a love affair for it. Don't even think twice about it. If you do it, I think I made the point. They make high school out to you that everybody's going to be successful and popular and have great jobs. Bull. It's not gonna happen. You're gonna know people that's died, prison, never made it out of high school. Some made it past high school. Crackheads, drug addicts, nothing, death, and people that do have good jobs. All of us did not leave high school with the best jobs. I was a commercial artist by trade, and I still use that craft today. But I am a master dry cleaner. That's what I am now. I'm a master dry cleaner. I'm good at all that stuff, building, putting stuff together. You name it, I could do it. I love that business, man, because it's an on hands business and you got to work. Yeah, you're going to break your back. It's hot. It is what it is. And you're going to keep working till you can't work. That's why I like that business. So have a love affair for it. If you don't have a love affair for it, don't mess with it and find your love affair, what you want to do in your craft. The last one, be your own superhero or be your own villain. Whatever the hell you want to do, do it. Do either or, but you become your own superhero. Do not wait for someone else to be your hero. He's my hero. You can have heroes. You can have philosophers. You can have people have good quotes, but be your own superhero. Because when I do this work, man, I'm like, it's like one thing when I push myself hard and then I don't have work. Those are the days that I enjoy more because I see all the time because it's your time. You're gonna waste your time. Don't if you're gonna waste your time, do something with your time because you'll never get that back. You'll never get it back. That's why I feel like I'm a superhero because I do what I use my time wisely. And that's it. So these are some of the points I wanted to make. I hope you watched the video before this. I was just kind of just strung some videos along. I may start making more videos. I just opened the Poshmark store up, and it's weird because I just sold my first item on it, and I'm just like cheesing because I actually had a Epson Workforce printer that some friends bought me for Christmas, and guess what I did with it? I actually printed out my first label to go out on on my Poshmark order, and I'm proud of myself because I know where to get stuff incredibly cheap. So it's another way to make money on the side. I make money doing laundry. Now I have a Poshmark store. I sell beads. I have ramen noodles. I do air fresheners. I do it all, bumper stickers, and this is how you make money because you have multiple streams of income. Now, granted, I ain't made $1 million, but my aspirins is going to eat. Sometimes I try not to curse. I'm going to get my slice of French toast and I'm going to eat. So I hope this helps you get out there, grind, take care of yourself, and don't down yourself. If you mess up, learn from it, and then do it again. God, I look scruffy because I've been so tired. I just ain't been doing nothing. And I hope your Thanksgiving was great, and I hope everything else works out for you. To the young lady who's trying to start her business, I hope you start your business. All you need is one customer. Once you get that one customer, it's over. Because every week they'll come. Like I just told my wife, I didn't need a bunch of laundry people at my house while I was at the other spot. I just had like 3 people, and every week their laundry was dead. It was $8 a basket. So I always had gas money. Now my last run I just did, I paid for my car insurance and my car. Now I have to can't wait to get my van back because I got many ideals to use that. But unfortunately someone decided to hit it and keep it moving. So I'm glad I had insurance on it. All right, guys. Adjust your hustle, bet on you, have your love affair, creativity. Oh my God, be your own superhero and get moving. All right, guys, I'm out of here. I'll probably make some more videos this week. Like I said, just been hustling and kind of lose track of time. Like I said, I remember when my beads were just regular old beads in the bag. I just sell them and I do all kind of stuff, but they keep moving up. So now I got them up to where they have their own design or whatnot. It's pretty cool. I used to try to give stickers away, but nobody ever got them because I don't have a ton of subscribers and I didn't think I have 1 million of them. But I do know the people who look at this know that they have the same idea I have. They was like, man, I could do a home laundry business. I'm good with an iron. That's right. I remember having the pants presses and I had like a couple pants presses and a dry iron and I just did dress shirts because I'm really good with ironing those. And those people all no one likes to iron those. So you always have business on that end. All right, guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Adjust your hustle, bet on you. Get out there, make some money. Later, guys. Till the next time. If you have any questions, any comments, hit me up. Usually I hit right back. If I haven't got back to you, probably because I missed you, but 90% of the time I get back to anybody who even has who even visits my channel, and I appreciate you. You don't have to be like, some of these other ones you hit on, you never get a reply back. I reply to everybody, and if I missed you, let me know and I'll get to you. Later, guys.